In this video, I will discuss fuel supply system in SI engine, that is in petrol. In that, we discuss about the carburetor. In that basic component of fuel supply system in SI engine that we discuss carburation, then carburetor and its function. So in four-stroke, in intake stroke or suction stroke, there should be a air plus fuel mixture will be supplied into the engine from the intake valve. Okay, so this air and fuel mixture will be supplied in the engine by using the carburetor. So in four-stroke SI engine, the carburetor is used to supply the fuel. So the basic fuel supply system in SI engine, the component are shown in this drawing. That this is our IC engine that we have seen here. This is our IC engine. This shown is here. Now in that air and fuel will be supplied. So air is first going from air filter. So there is a impurity removed from that, particles are removed. Then it is going to carburetor. From fuel tank, by using the fuel pump, it is supplied to carburetor. So in carburetor, air and fuel will be mixed and then it is supplied to the engine. Okay. Now carburation. What is carburation? The process of mixture preparation in SI engine is called carburation. This air fuel mixture is prepared outside cylinder in a device called carburetor. So in case of SI engine, so air fuel mixture will be taken place outside the cylinder by using component carburetor. The carburetor, what is doing, it is atomize the fuel and mix it with air in different proportion for various loads and conditions. So in carburetor, there are at different load, different air fuel ratio will be requirement will be there. So air and fuel will be mixed, that some ratio will be there. So that ratio will be vary according to load, that is according to standing condition, according to idling condition, cruising condition, acceleration condition, it may vary. The basic difference between the fuel supply system in SI and CI engine there, in SI engine this carburetor will be used, gasoline engine that is called SI engine. So air and fuel will be mixture will be take place outside cylinder. In case of diesel engine, in place of the spark plug we are using the injector. So after the compression, fuel will be injected from the injector, fuel injector. So this is simple difference between that. So we are going to detail in this fuel supply system in SI engine. Okay. So again we repeat, carburation process, the process of preparation of the mixture of atomized fuel and air before admission to cylinder, it is called carburation. So we are preparing mixture outside cylinder, that process is called carburation. The component used, that is called carburetor. The device which supply the metered spray of fuel mixed with correct amount of air for efficient combustion in cylinder at all operating condition, it is called carburetor. So carburetor, what will we do? It will not just supply the fuel and air, but it will be meter the spray, how much amount of air and fuel mixture we have to supply, that it will be measured and properly mixed and correct amount of that it is supplied to the cylinder, and that is according to different load condition, because at different load different air fuel mixture will be required. So function of carburetor, it must atomize, it have to atomize, then vaporize and mix the fuel homogeneously with air. So it homogeneously mixes with air. It must supply correct amount of air fuel mixture in correct proportion under all load condition and speed of the engine. So as load on the engine, weight increasing and the speed will be increasing, decreasing, according to that different air fuel ratio will be supplied. It must run the engine smoothly by supplying correct mixture strength. So it is at different condition, it will run the engine smoothly by supplying different air fuel ratio. Now factor affecting carburation, the carburation process mixing of air and fuel. So which are the factor that going to affect the process of carburation? So the time available for mixture of preparation, so how much time will be available, okay. So according to that it will be vary. The temperature of incoming air, so temperature of air incoming is higher, then easily it will be mixed. The temperature is lower, then it will require some time to mixing with that. Quality of fuel will be supplied. So which type of fuel will be supplied, that quality also depend on the carburation process. Engine speed, so according to engine speed, if speed is high, then it will be easily mixed. Speed is low, then mixing time is required higher. Design of carburetor. So design of carburetor also important for the mixing of air and fuel mixer. Now at high speed engine 3000 rpm, the time available for mixer is very small, that is about 0.02 second. Okay, so it is very short time. In that short time it have to mix air and fuel, then it is supplied to the engine. The temperature affect the vaporization of the fuel. High temperature lead to the high rate of the vaporization. This is achieved by heating the induction manifold in some cases. However, this causes a reduction in the power output because the decrease in mass flow rate. So temperature we are going to increase in some limit. After that, it will be decrease our power. Okay. The design of carburetor as such is very complicated because the optimum air-fuel ratio vary over its operating range. So design also important and it is crucial and complicated. So air-fuel ratio vary over the operating range. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. In next video, we will discuss about what is stoichiometric air-fuel ratio and what is rich mixer and clean mixer.